Meet the Air One, an exciting new electric aircraft designed for vertical takeoff and landing, specifically created for the U.S. Air Force, but also attracting interest from private customers. With about 800 pre-orders already, it's clear that people are eager to get their hands on this innovative flying machine. The Air One can fly for up to an hour on a single charge and can carry a payload of up to 250 kilograms, around 550 pounds. This makes it great for a variety of logistical tasks. Plus, it's fast, capable of reaching speeds up to 250 kilometers per hour, about 155 miles per hour. To give you an idea of its efficiency, the Air One can travel from Victoria to Vancouver in just 41 minutes. This makes it a fantastic option for quick trips, whether for military purposes or civilian use. With its sleek design and advanced technology, the Air One offers a glimpse into the future of personal air travel. It's not just about flying, it's about transforming how we think about transportation. Alva Hands-Free Lighting is a clever lighting solution that gives you the freedom to keep your hands free while still having plenty of light. This innovative system is designed to be worn or attached to various objects, making it incredibly convenient for all kinds of activities. The Alva system features lightweight LED lights that are easy to strap onto your head, attach to a helmet, or clip onto your clothes and accessories. With adjustable straps or clips, you can ensure a secure and comfortable fit so you can focus on your tasks without worrying about the lights falling off. This hands-free lighting is perfect for situations where you need both hands available, whether you're camping, hiking, cycling, running, or working on DIY projects. Instead of juggling a flashlight, you can enjoy the convenience of having your hands free to work, explore, or do whatever you need. The Campus Shuttle is a new vision for urban transport, designed by German students Niels Achenbach and Kilian Wisman at Coburg University, with support from the automotive supplier Bros. Their goal? To bring public transport out of the past and into the future, with a sleek, modern design focused on accessibility and convenience. This futuristic shuttle is all about making transportation smooth and accessible. It features a retractable ramp for wheelchair access, making it easy for everyone to hop on board. Bright LED lights and animations help it communicate with other vehicles, adding extra safety to its sleek look. Designed as a last-mile solution, the Campus Shuttle connects smaller neighborhoods and popular areas to larger public transit hubs, making commuting easier. The shuttle's minimal design includes user-friendly graphics and smart technology, giving passengers helpful information while creating a more enjoyable ride. EHang Aerial Firefighting Solutions is an exciting new concept from EHang, a Chinese company known for its autonomous drones. This innovative product line uses large drones designed specifically for fighting wildfires, making it easier to combat these dangerous blazes. These drones can fly on their own or be controlled remotely, giving them flexibility in various firefighting situations. They are equipped with special systems that allow them to carry water or fire retardants, enabling them to drop these materials directly onto flames from the air. With advanced sensors for navigation and situational awareness, these drones can navigate complex environments with ease. One of the biggest benefits of EHang's aerial firefighting solutions is their ability to reach remote and hazardous areas that are hard for firefighters on the ground to access. This means they can respond quickly to wildfires, potentially saving lives and protecting property. The Ether Cruise is an advanced, eco-friendly vessel designed to revolutionize leisure travel on water. Blending modern technology with luxury, the Ether Cruise offers a seamless, quiet ride powered by sustainable energy sources, leaving a minimal environmental footprint. Its sleek design and spacious interiors give it an inviting, contemporary feel, making it perfect for travelers seeking a peaceful getaway with the added bonus of helping protect our oceans. With state-of-the-art navigation systems and smart technology, the Ether Cruise allows passengers to relax fully while enjoying scenic ocean or river views. Its design includes comfortable lounges, stylish cabins, and panoramic windows, so travelers can soak in the sights from every angle. The ship also features eco-conscious amenities, from energy-efficient lighting to waste reduction systems, adding to its commitment to sustainability. The 8360 Nova Evento Buzzball is an exciting new virtual reality motion simulator developed by a New Zealand startup called 8360. This unique device offers users an untethered VR experience, making it feel like you're really part of the action in your favorite games. The Nova is a large, spherical platform made of aluminum and polycarbonate, measuring 2 meters in diameter. Inside, there's a comfortable seat for one person, along with controls and a VR headset to enhance the immersive experience. The ball sits on 3 supports that use Omni wheels, allowing for smooth movement in every direction. What makes the Nova special is its ability to rotate freely on all axes. This means that as you move in the virtual world, the simulator moves with you, creating a realistic experience that feels just like being there. This feature is especially great for gaming, where immersion is everything. The Hymo H1 electric scooter is a lightweight and compact ride, perfect for short trips around the city. Made by the Chinese mobility company Hymo, this scooter is designed for easy urban commuting. Its foldable design makes it super portable, allowing you to carry and store it effortlessly in small spaces, whether at home or in the office. Weighing just 13 to 15 kilograms, 28 to 33 pounds, the H1 can support riders up to 100 kilograms, 220 pounds, making it ideal for individuals. The scooter features small wheels and a sturdy frame, along with a comfortable seat that makes your ride smooth and enjoyable. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, the Hymo H1 offers an impressive range of 18 to 30 kilometers, 11 to 18 miles, on a full charge, so you can cruise around town without worry. Depending on the model, it can reach speeds of 18 to 25 kilometers per hour, 11 to 15.5 miles per hour, giving you a fun and efficient way to navigate city streets. With its stylish design and practical features, the Hymo H1 is the perfect eco-friendly option for anyone looking for a quick and convenient way to travel around town. Heidi Glasses by GWD Biointelligence are cutting-edge smart glasses that allow you to control your devices without lifting a finger. Designed with special gyroscope sensors and eye blink detection technology, these glasses let you operate your computer, tablet, or smartphone hands-free. This makes them perfect for anyone seeking convenience and accessibility. So, how do they work? When you blink, the glasses detect electrical signals and translate that blink into a cursor click on your device. This means you can navigate your screen effortlessly while keeping your hands free for other activities. The Heidi glasses are Bluetooth enabled, making it easy to connect to your devices. They come with adjustable ear hooks for a comfortable fit, ensuring they stay in place during use. Plus, they offer multi-system accessibility and add-on lenses, so you can customize them to suit your needs. With Heidi glasses, you get a fresh and innovative way to interact with technology. Hyperion, known for its hydrogen-powered supercars, is tackling the lack of hydrogen fueling stations in the US with a bold move, launching mobile hydrogen stations. Designed to look sleek like mini yachts, these stations don't just fuel vehicles, they actually generate hydrogen on site. Hyperion is determined to fill the gap and make hydrogen fuel more accessible across the country. To put the problem into perspective, the US has about 72,000 regular gas stations, but only 107 hydrogen fueling stations, and almost all of those are clustered in California and Hawaii. If you remove those states, public hydrogen stations are basically non-existent across the rest of the country. It's not just a US issue either. Globally, hydrogen stations are scarce. For instance, Australia has just 3, while Japan and South Korea, 2 countries invested in hydrogen technology, have only 166 and 34 stations, respectively. Toyota and the Japan Exploration Agency are joining forces to create the Lunar Cruiser, a special vehicle designed for the moon. This isn't just any ordinary car. It faces some tough challenges because of the extreme lunar environment. With nighttime temperatures plummeting to -100 degrees Celsius, -148 degrees, along with low gravity, a vacuum, and radiation, the engineers in Japan have a lot to figure out. Despite these hurdles, they are pushing ahead and have already shown off a two-seat prototype of the lunar cruiser. But they're dreaming even bigger. The team envisions a house on wheels that could support a hydrogen fuel production plant. Japan plans to set up on the moon by 2035. The lunar cruiser is more than just a vehicle for exploring. It's a step towards sustainable living and making use of resources on the moon. The Ocean Guardian Freedom 7 may sound like the title of a lifeguard TV show, but it's actually an innovative shark repellent. This clever device is designed for various water activities, like kayaking and snorkeling, making it a versatile companion for your aquatic adventures. With a range of about 6 meters, around 20 feet, and a battery life of up to 6 hours on a single charge, the Freedom 7 is dependable when you're out on the water. It can be used at depths of up to 50 meters, about 164 feet, so it's perfect for deeper explorations too. What makes the Freedom 7 really special is its ability to target a sensory organ in sharks called the ampullae of Lorenzini. This means it can effectively keep sharks away without bothering other fish, making it a safe choice for everyone in the water. Priced at $414, deciding if the Freedom 7 is worth the investment depends on your needs. The Pooler cover from the German company Pula is a fantastic solution for pool owners looking to simplify their lives. Forget about one-size-fits-all covers. Pula custom makes each cover to fit your pool perfectly. They offer a range of materials, including durable stainless steel and lightweight aluminum, along with assembly kits to match your needs. Whether you have a freshwater or saltwater pool, Pula has you covered. For example, the Silin model is specifically designed for saltwater pools and can cover a large area of up to 14 by 7 meters. Made from high-quality V4A steel, this cover is tough enough to be used all year round, ensuring your pool stays safe and clean. When it comes to operation, you have options for the motor. Choose from an integrated drive powered by a battery or solar panels, or a toothed belt drive that connects to an external power source. Plus, safety is key. An emergency stop switch is conveniently placed within sight of the water surface, ensuring you can operate it safely. With the Pooler cover, protecting your pool has never been easier or more efficient. Enjoy peace of mind while keeping your pool in top shape. The Rhino is a unique, one-wheeled personal vehicle that's redefining urban transport with its compact, futuristic design. Looking almost like something out of a sci-fi movie, the Rhino is built for people who need a fast, practical way to navigate through busy city streets. Designed to be compact enough to fit in a small space, the Rhino balances on a single wheel but remains stable, thanks to advanced gyroscopic technology. This means riders can experience the fun of movement without the bulk of a traditional bike or scooter. With the Rhino, you're not just getting from point A to point B, you're doing it in style. Its sleek look and intuitive controls make it ideal for commuters or anyone who wants a fun, easy way to get around. It's perfect for short trips or weaving through crowded spaces where larger vehicles can't go, giving you the freedom to travel with ease and agility. For anyone seeking an eco-friendly, innovative alternative to traditional vehicles, the Rhino delivers a new way to move through the city. The Scootmatic is an electric scooter designed to make city commuting easy, fun, and eco-friendly. This sleek scooter combines style with convenience, perfect for those who want to avoid traffic while reducing their carbon footprint. Its compact frame and foldable design make it ideal for busy city life, allowing riders to easily carry and store it wherever they go. Equipped with a powerful electric motor, the Scootmatic provides a smooth and quiet ride, effortlessly tackling city streets and even light hills. The scooter's battery is rechargeable, offering impressive range on a single charge, so you can zip around town without frequent stops. Plus, it includes a digital display for real-time updates on speed, battery life, and mileage, keeping riders informed and in control. Built for comfort and stability, the Scootmatic has adjustable handlebars, a wide deck for steady footing, and responsive brakes for safe, quick stops. It's perfect for short commutes, quick errands, or simply exploring the city in an exciting way. Super Hookah brings a revolutionary approach to scuba diving with its unique air supply system, allowing divers to float on the surface without the burden of heavy tanks on their backs. Its creators claim that this is the game changer the diving community has been waiting for, and many divers might just agree. With Super Hookah, you can dive as deep as 10 meters, about 33 feet, and stay underwater for up to 2 hours, making it perfect for exploring the underwater world. It runs on removable batteries, which makes it easy to recharge and use for multiple dives. Plus, its compact design means it fits into a small suitcase, complying with hand luggage requirements for most major airlines. Another fantastic feature is the built-in USB ports, allowing you to charge your smartphone or action camera while you dive. Priced at $700, Super Hookah makes diving more accessible and enjoyable without the hassle of traditional scuba gear. ZipCharge, a UK-based startup, is reimagining EV charging with a portable suitcase-sized power bank called the Go Power Bank. This clever device rolls like luggage and lets electric vehicle owners charge their cars wherever they are. But now, ZipCharge is taking it a step further with the Go Hub, a modular charging and storage station that aims to make charging even easier and more accessible. Although the Go Power Banks aren't in production just yet, ZipCharge is opening up pre-orders soon, with plans to offer different ways to access these power banks: outright purchase, a subscription model, and even rental options. The Go Hub itself will come in 2 versions: a single-sided unit that holds 5 power banks, and a double-sided one that can hold twice as many. These hubs are compact enough to fit into standard parking spaces at malls, business centers, and neighborhood spots. So EV drivers can simply rent a power bank when they need a quick charge.